Hello children, Corona is spreading throughout the world. Stay safe. Wash your hands with soap and water frequently. Cover your nose and mouth with a mask. Stay 6 feet away from others. Sanitize your hands whenever you cannot wash your hands. Disinfect the surfaces frequently. Isolate yourself if you are affected from corona. Dear parents, even though you are vaccinated, follow the precautionary measures. Hello children, corona is spreading throughout the world. Stay safe. Wash your hands with soap and water frequently. Cover your nose and mouth with a mask. Stay 6 feet away from others. Sanitize your hands whenever you cannot wash your hands. Disinfect the surfaces frequently. Isolate yourself if you are affected from corona. Dear parents, even though you are vaccinated, follow the precautionary measures. Namaste parents. Hi dear children. Welcome back to cognitive class. In today's cognitive class, we shall work with the cognitive workbook. In the cognitive workbook, open page number 7, where we have an activity to number the parts of the puzzles in the correct sequence. Here we have a puzzle where boy is coloring the pictures in his book. He is also using a chowki. By observing this puzzle, we have to number this in correct sequence. While we observe this picture, the hair portion of the boy takes number 1. The boy's eyes portion takes number 2. Mouth portion takes number 3. Then comes book. The book in which the boy is coloring. It takes number 4. Then the chowki, number 5. And the last legs of the chowki. It takes number 6. So we have numbered this in correct sequence. After completing this, let us move to the next concept. What comes next? Here we have a duck and a bird which is colorful. We have the 3 same pictures. In the 4th picture also, we have to fill in the blank with the same bird facing towards the duck, not the bird which is facing away from the duck. So I circled it. This picture has to take this blank. In the same way, we have a notebook and a pencil. The tip of the pencil is facing towards the book here. In all the 3 pictures, the tip of the pencil is facing towards the book. In the 4th picture also, we have to select the pencil which has its tip towards the book, not away from the book. So I circled it. After completing this, let us move on to page number 8, where we have an activity to circle the shape that matches to the shape in the first box in each row. We have few shapes in the first box here and few more shapes in each row. In the first row, we have to search the same shape which is given in the first box from these 4. This is the similar one to this. Observe this shape. We have to circle the same. It is similar to the first picture. In the same way, help your child to complete these 3 also. After completing this, we have one more activity in page number 8 to circle all the objects that are used in painting. So, here we shall learn what are the things that we use to paint, or we can also call it as cake. We call it as paint cake. This is a tube which has color in it, color palette and a brush. These are the things which we use for painting. After completing this, let us move on to page number 9, where we have an activity to color the solids as instructed. One has been done for us. Dear parents, kindly help your child to read the instructions given. Color the second cube in red. We have to count the cubes from the bottom towards up. First one, second one. It has been already colored in red. Then we have to color the fourth cube in blue. First, second, third and fourth. This is the fourth cube. We have to color it in blue color. Let us move on to the next one, where we have few cylinders. Color the first cylinder green. This is the first cylinder. Color it in green color. Then color the fifth cylinder red. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. This is the fifth cylinder. Color it with red. Here we have few more cylinders. Color the fourth cylinder in blue. Go on counting, children. First, second, third, fourth. This is the fourth cylinder. You have to color this cylinder with blue color. Then color the seventh cylinder in orange. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. This is the seventh cylinder. We have to color it in orange. Dear parents, kindly help your child to count the given shapes and also to count the given solids and to color them as instructed. After completing this, we have one more activity to circle the solid that comes next in each row. Here we have few solids: sphere, ovaloid, sphere, ovaloid, sphere. Next comes the ovaloid. A cube, cone comes twice. Cube, once again we need to take cone twice. So we have to circle the cone here. Two cuboids, a pyramid. Two cuboids, then comes a pyramid. Help your child to name the solids given here and also to recognize what comes next. Dear parents, kindly help your child to complete this activity. Thank you.